So today, while we were at Costco, we decided to buy this Kirkland brand frozen pepperoni pizza to see if we can jazz it up a little bit and see how it comes out. So the back of the box, it gives you instructions, very simple, cooked from frozen, 425. Remove all the packaging in case you didn't know to take it out of the plastic. 12 to 15 minutes, you got this pizza, and it should be good to go. And you can feed your family. There's 4 pizzas in this, and I think it was on sale for under $15. It might have been even cheaper than that. It might have been like $12. It was ridiculous how cheap this was. And there it is. There's the instructions on the pizza in case you threw out the box and didn't know what you're doing. But it's very simple. And there's quite a bit of pepperoni on it. There's quite a bit of cheese on it. The sauce was a perfect amount. And it's a very simple frozen pizza. Very basic, very simple, but it's very easy to work with. And this is what I mean by easy to work with. You can add whatever you want to this frozen pizza. Here I put bacon, olives, and the other one I just left it as pepperoni. Now, what you could do is put whatever you want on it. You want to put onions, you want to put any top mushrooms on it. Unfortunately, I live with people who don't like mushrooms, who don't like onions. So he likes everything. And he's waiting for anything that, he's like, hurry up and feed me. Get this pizza in the oven. I agree, buddy. I agree. So this is what the pizza looks like when it's baked, okay? Now, we baked it at the recommended time and temperature. Now, it looks good, and it was good. But for me, I put it back in the oven because we like it a little bit extra crispy. We found that it was more heavier and dense than like baked or crispy or anything like that. So there it is. I put it back in the oven to crisp it up a little bit more. And what I found was this thin crust pizza wasn't very thin at all. Now it did the job. It fed everybody, and it was like it did the job, right? We were hungry. It fed us. But thin crust pizza, it is not. Was it one of the best frozen pizzas? Not even close. It just did a basic job. You can jazz it up, make it a little bit more interesting, add toppings of your choice. But for under $15, this frozen pizza will do the job. And don't expect anything fancy or fantastic. It's just basic, and it's good at feeding a family and serving hors d'oeuvres at a party.